To create a promising future for our native birds and all wildlife in Oregon, we must continue to work together to take action. Since 1902, we've fought to support the environment holistically by protecting imperiled species, fighting climate change, advocating for habitat, and connecting people to nature. From the ocean to our wetlands, our forests to our cities, we work across the state to inspire all people to love and protect birds and the natural environment. Our work in the conservation movement includes grassroots advocacy, wildlife rehabilitation, volunteer opportunities, world-class education programs for youth and adults, embracing diverse perspectives, sanctuaries that connect people to the natural world, and building a more equitable and inclusive future for all our communities. As the world continues to evolve, it's necessary for us to do the same. Close to 2,000 voices throughout our Oregon communities graciously contributed their input and insights about who we are today and where we want to go. There was a collective desire for an inclusive name to highlight birds, be clear and accessible, evoke a sense of unity, and share our geographic reach. To better reflect and align to the work we do, we are now Bird Alliance of Oregon. Bird Alliance of Oregon serves as a connection between our past, present, and now future aspirations. We were founded to protect birds, and that still remains at the heart of our work. We are strong because of our collaborative relationships, and the broad expanse of Oregon's ecosystems that extend beyond our state lines are always at the heart of our advocacy and education efforts. Looking toward the future, we will continue our efforts to protect birds and habitat, increase equitable access to nature, expand and improve urban green spaces, remove barriers to nature education, and create affinity spaces for people of all ages to come together. Together for Nature is meant to go side by side with our new name to show that while birds are central to our mission, we are also more than birds. We fight for all wildlife, habitats, and for people. We stand together for nature, always. Bird Alliance of Oregon, together for nature.